Is passive income real? Uncovering affiliate truths. Hey! Before you click off thinking this is just another get-rich-quick video, hold up. I'm not here to sell you some sketchy course or tell you to message your cousin about a business opportunity. This isn't MLM. This is Affiliate Marketing 101, and no, it's not a pyramid scheme. I promise. You've probably seen people on TikTok or YouTube saying, "I make money while I sleep," and you're like, how though? Well, today we're breaking it all down. I'm talking real talk, no gatekeeping, and absolutely no cringy sales tactics. Just straight up facts, storytelling, and tips you can use today to start your own affiliate marketing hustle. So grab your coffee or energy drink, whatever your fuel of choice is, and let's dive in. Alright, picture this, you recommend a show to your friend. They binge it. They love it. You feel like a hero, right? Now imagine you recommend a product, like that one skincare serum that saved your face during finals week, and instead of just a thanks, you get actual money when your friend buys it. That, my friend, is affiliate marketing. It's basically word-of-mouth marketing, but online, and you get paid. You're not creating a product. You're not shipping anything. You're just dropping your unique affiliate link, and when someone buys through it, you get a commission. No weird Zoom calls. No team meetings. Just links, content, and cash. Why it's not a scam? Let's talk about the elephant in the digital room. You hear the word affiliate, and your scam radar goes off. Fair enough, the internet does have its shady corners. But affiliate marketing is used by major brands like Amazon, Target, Ulta, even Uber Eats. These companies have legit affiliate programs because it's cheaper and more effective to have regular people like you, promote their stuff instead of running expensive ads. There's no startup fee. No pyramid. No recruiting. No weird vibes. You just sign up, get a link, and start recommending things you actually use and love. Here's the real question, why should you care? Simple. You're probably already doing this, for free. Every time you post a TikTok about your new desk lamp, or tell your friends about that app you found, you're already influencing people's buying decisions. So why not get paid for it? Affiliate marketing lets you turn your regular content into passive income. And no, you don't need 1 million followers or a YouTube plaque. You just need the right content and the right audience. This is your sign to soft launch your digital income era. Okay, let's break it down. Step 1, pick your niche. What do you love talking about so much people tell you to chill? That's probably your niche. It could be skincare, dorm decor, gaming setups, budgeting, mental health tools, whatever fits your vibe. Step 2, find affiliate programs. Start with beginner-friendly ones like Amazon Associates or ShareASale. But don't sleep on niche programs either, your favorite skincare brand or app might already have an affiliate program. Check the website footer or just Google, brand name, affiliate program. Step 3, make content. You don't need fancy gear. Just use your phone. Create TikToks, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Pinterest pins, or blog posts, whatever fits your strengths. Show the product. Talk about how it helped you. Be honest, relatable, and real. Then, drop your affiliate link. That's it. When people buy through that link, you get a cut. It's that simple. Now, let's talk strategy. Affiliate marketing isn't post once, go viral, get rich. It's more like building digital real estate. The goal is to create content that keeps working for you, even after you're asleep, or binge-watching Netflix. This is called evergreen content, stuff people are always searching for. Like, best ring light for Zoom classes. Affordable dorm storage ideas. Top budgeting apps for broke students. It's not always flashy, but it brings in views and clicks forever. Look, you might not make money on day one. You might post 10 videos and hear crickets. That's normal. But if you keep showing up, learning, and improving, affiliate marketing becomes one of the most low-key powerful ways to make money online. And yes, it becomes passive over time. You do the work once, and that content keeps earning. That's what people mean when they say, money while I sleep. They're not lying. It's just that the setup wasn't overnight. Now let's talk traffic, because without eyeballs, there are no clicks. You've got options. TikTok, great for fast traction. Product reviews, unboxings, TikTok made me buy it, videos all do well. YouTube, long-term growth and monetization opportunities. Pinterest, underrated. It's basically a visual search engine. Blogging, takes time, but if you love writing, this is gold. Email lists, digital real estate that you control. Start building one as soon as you can. Start with 1 or 2 platforms. Learn, grow, experiment. You don't need to be everywhere all at once. Let's talk numbers. Some people make $20 per month. Some make $5,000. Some make 6 figures. It depends on your niche, audience, product price, commission rate, strategy. Higher-priced products or subscription services usually pay more. So think beyond Amazon, digital products, software tools, online courses. Those can bring in serious coin. Affiliate marketing isn't the future. It's the now. Companies are literally paying creators every single day to recommend things they love. So if you're already making content, or want to, you have everything you need to get started. Don't wait until you have enough followers. Don't overthink your niche. Start messy. Start small. Just start. Create that video. Write that post. Drop that link. Build that audience. The best time to start was probably last year. The second best time? Right now. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment telling me what niche you're thinking about starting with. If you want a part 2 where I show you my favorite affiliate programs or content ideas that actually convert, let me know. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more creator-friendly, money-making content, no fluff, no fake vibes, just real strategies that work in 2025. Alright, that's it. You've officially been initiated into the Affiliate Marketing Club, no weird handshake required. Catch you in the next video.